Okay, good morning class. We are starting with the same chapter. We are continuing with the same chapter, long and short. Okay. Now see the first one. The question is, what are the little lines on the scale used for? Again I am repeating. What are the little lines on the scale used for? Okay. If you see the scale, now concentrate here. If you see the scale, so in the scale, these are the small lines. Can you see? Try to see from here. 3, then again 4 is here, and this is divided into so many small parts. From here to here 5 division, from here to here 5 division. That means the total division between 3 to 4 is 10. Okay. So what is the meaning of this small division? So one small division equals to 0.1 centimeter. From 3 to 4 it is 1 centimeter, but 3 to this small division it is 0.1 centimeter. Okay. So the question is, what are the little lines on the scale used for? Each little line on the scale is used to measure 0.1 centimeter. That means if we see the each little line, that will be equals to 1 centimeter. Understood this? Okay. Try to use the scale for measurement of various objects. Then only you will understand that how to use the scale. Now see this question number 2. Match the correct length. Certain objects are drawn here and you have to guess whether which length can belong to that object. Okay. The first one is length of earthworm. So have you seen the earthworm? It is either this much long or it can be little bit equals to your palm. Not more than that. Earthworm is not too long. Okay. It may be near about this much length or it can be near about this much length. Not more than that. Earthworm cannot be more than that. Okay. So if we see the length of earthworm, it cannot be more than 10 centimeter. So the answer first belongs to B. Okay, first earthworm belongs to B, that is 10 centimeter. Now if we see this is a child, height of a child. If we see a height of a child, it is not too long. Okay, he is not too long. So his height can be 2 kilometer? No. 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter is how much? Just see, if we see from 3 to 4 or 1 to 2, so this much is 1 centimeter. So the height of a child can be 1 centimeter. No, it cannot be. And can it be a 2 kilometer? It cannot be. That means the height of a child is 1 meter? Yes, it is a 1 meter. So we will write here 2 because this 2 will comes to 1 meter. Now see the next question. Width of a nail finger. If we see the nail, okay, if we see the nail, so it is only this much. Only this much. Okay, it may be equal to only this much. The nail can be only this much. Okay. So this is equals to 1 centimeter. So the width of a nail finger is 1 centimeter. The third will come here. Now see the next. This is a home and this is a school. So from home to school, what can the distance? Can it be a 1 meter? No. 1 meter, it cannot be 1 meter. 1 centimeter? No, 1 centimeter is very small. 10 centimeter is also very small. So it will be a 2 kilometer. How much it will be? A 2 kilometer. Distance from home to school will be a 2 kilometer. So the answer is 4. We will write here 4. Understood? You have to see the object and you have to guess the length. So the length of earthworm will be 10 centimeter. Height of a child will be 1 meter. Width of a nail finger will be 1 centimeter and distance from home to school is 2 kilometer. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.